Hi everybody, repair training today. Electrical 3 outlet power strip. This 3 outlet is broken. Uh, the wires inside is same to be connected. You can see here. I try to open it up and fix it. First we find the screw and open the screw here, here and here. But in different product it may be somewhere else. Open the screw. This is the 3 screws that I unscrew. Well, as you can see, this wire is broken. This wire is broken and yellow wire for air connection. We don't need it now. It is a phase power wire that is connected to the key pin. I'm going to open this screw first, and this screw. Okay, as you can see, this wire also is broken. See, broken, and earth wire. We need to fix both wires. We'll cut this wire here and cut earth wire. Please subscribe our channel and support us by liking. Well, I connect the wires. One connect to the key pin and other wire directly. Key pin. Okay, and connect this wire to directly flat. Okay, this seems to be alright. Seems this LED is an on-off display that has come out of place. I will put put it back in its place. Okay, as you can see, LED. Okay, now this is the important part. This is the important part because the wire cable will be tightened and the damage will be prevented in the future. Okay. Okay. So we'll get to the test. Please support us with the subscribing and liking this video. The test, you can see LED turn it on, and I tried test with the blob here and here and here, and on and off power key. That's good. Thank you. Please see our next video. Please share your comments with us. Thank you. Goodbye.